Alright, good morning everybody. In this section, I will make a short review of new ROM on my Redmi Note 7. Okay, let's change the language first. It's too dark. Get started. Yeah, this is customroom name RiceDroid. Okay, set up offline, continue. Skip and then skip. Alright, this is, I think it's, the screen is dark. Yeah, yes, it's already bright. Alright, this is a RiceDroid custom ROM with Google Apps. So this is the quick settings. Quick setting. Let's add more icons on the settings. The quick settings. There's a hotspot, dark theme. Prefer network, screenshot, yes, screenshot. There's screenshot on the quick settings. So this is the apps, standard apps for the first clean install of the ROM. So we have Play Store here. This is extreme. What extreme? Oh, this is extreme battery set. Alright. So move to the settings. Here's the menu of settings. All settings you can customize here. You may check a look of the Android version of, yes, this is Rise UI 4.0 Redmi Note 7. Device setting details. Here's the details. Alright, and then go to network internet settings. Check the hotspot. Alright, hotspot. Yes, I like this one. Allow client to use VPN. So this phone use a VPN connection, it could be sharing to another mobile phone or laptop or computer. Move to personalization. Yeah, this is Rise UI specific personalization information. The button, power menu customization. Yes, power menu, you can add some, you can enable some function here. So this is advanced restart. You can choose booting from recovery or fast boot or bootloader. Now, this is the wake up button when you push the volume here. Volume button. Move to the lock screen. Lock screen, this is some settings. You can enable or disable. Tap to sleep, put screen lock. Okay, double tap. Yes, that's working. Oh, double tap to wake up. It's not setting yet. Navigation. Three button, horse, gesture, inverted. Navigation bar animation. And then go to quick settings. Quick settings. Quick settings. You can change the icon of battery or Wi-Fi here. Batteries. Percent of batteries next to the icon. Animation. Rotate. Move to the sound. Okay, a lot of settings here. So we have volume customize on the panel. Screenshot sound second and vibrate here. Action or calling. Okay, status bar here. Status bar icon here. Change 4G to LTE. Sorry. Battery status, Wi-Fi standard, location detector, logo. So this is. I'm sorry. So this is the menu that changed the battery here, battery icon. Clone, operate mix. That's changing. Alright. Person battery is hidden. You can choose one of right or left side. Tap to sleep. This tap to sleep bar. Tap on the bar. Yes, on the bar. Tap to wake up. I didn't find it wake up here. So let's check. Tap to wake up. Yeah, this one is tap to wake up. Oh, quiet. Tap to sleep. Tap to wake up. Oh, right. That's already. Okay, that's a short review of RiceDroid on Redmi Note 7. Thank you. Bye bye.